Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose and today your girl got a hair review for you. I know it's butterfly locks and I did butterfly locks before, but this company called Kraler hair sent me their butterfly lock crochet to review, so I just wanted to show you guys a different way to install butterfly locks. Go ahead and keep on watching. So basically I have the information right here for you guys, but they sent me a 6-pack of 12-inch locks, and each pack had 12 locks in there, so do the math. But yeah, it was enough hair for me to do my whole head. I thought I was gonna run out, but I ended up having like 6 or 7 strand extra, so they gave me one of those little needles. I honestly don't know what it's for, but I think it's for when you do like real locks, you can like revamp your locks. And they also sent me a crochet needle, so this is what came in the package. Alright you guys, so the strands look like really distressed and very like butterfly. This definitely not like the one that I did before, but I mean it's okay, I kind of like it. So this is me just acting crazy. Enjoy my foolishness. Alright you guys, so this is me parting my hair. I initially wanted to do a middle part, but I honestly don't think that middle part butterfly locks look good on me, so I ended up spending 5 minutes trying to perfect my middle part and ended up switching to a side part. So this is basically what I'm doing right now. I am just doing a side part, and I want to do it like it's a crochet, but it looks like individual locks. So I am going to do like around that part, I'm gonna do individual twists. I did not want to braid my hair because I know that takedown process is gonna be way longer. So I started with a 3-strand and ended up twisting my hair all around the front of my head and all around that part that I made. So this is basically what I'm doing right now, and I use a little bit of Eco Styler just to help me do that. And after I did that, I did cornrows all over my head. They were not pretty, I can tell you that much. I just wanted to be done at this point, so I am just showing you guys that what I did some in front and some around that part, and now I'm just doing the cornrows. So this is basically the way I set up my hair to prepare for the crochet. Alright, so I did the crochet portion. I did not want to just spend the whole video showing how to crochet. If you guys want to see that, I can make a separate video, but I wanted to show you guys how I put in those locks to look like it's like individual strands. So this is basically how I'm doing it. I do the basic crochet method where I put the crochet in, loop it through, and I loop the actual lock through. And the other part, that like the most important part, is to try to like put your hair inside that lock. So to do that, you put the crochet in between the actual lock, and you grab your hair from the tip, like the very tip of the hair, and you close that loop, and then you just try to pull your hair in little section. It's easier to do with like different types of hair, so it depends on what hair you have. You can pull more hair into the lock or less hair. That hair was a little difficult because the middle of that lock was a little bit tight, so it was a little difficult for me to do that, but this is basically how you do it. You put the crochet loop inside, and you just grab the very tip of your own hair, and you close that lock and you pull it through. So I am gonna do another strand and show you guys how I did that. So to explain it again, I found the little loop and I put the crochet needle in the root of my actual hair, and I loop that piece of butterfly lock in, and I use the tip of the butterfly lock to loop it in, and then I put the crochet needle in between the butterfly lock, and I grab my hair from the very tip, and I pulled it in using the crochet needle, and I did that in small section until my whole hair strand was inside that lock. Alright you guys, so that is it. This is how the hair looks like. I really like it. One thing though, the hair does get messy super quick, so keep that in mind. I've had mine for like 2 weeks and it already looks like it needs to be changed, so that's just the one downside, but everything else in the hair is really nice, and I would recommend the company. Thank you to the company for sending me the hair. Thank you for letting me review your hair. It was really beautiful hair. And that is it, guys. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye y'all.